just wanted to go through the sock puppet activity kit. We've got a variety of socks. We've also including some felts. We've got some coloured string and wool. We've got the glue, washable markers. We've got some googly eyes and some stick-on eyes.
Along with the activity packs, we also ran a Care to Watch craft session in how to make sock puppets, which the individuals really enjoyed and engaged with, and enabled them to try out lots of different styles of making sock puppets.
We're having stick-on eyes.
Or googly ones. Googly ones.
You got a name for it?
No.
Shall we call it Dave?
Do you want some hair? Yeah? Look at that hair. Rainbow hair.
Oh.